Could you turn off the bedroom light?
Could you turn off the bedroom light?
I need to change the bed sheets today.
I need to change the bed sheets today.
I always open the windows to let in fresh air.
I always open the windows to let in fresh air.
My alarm clock is set for 7 a.m.
My alarm clock is set for 7 a.m.
I forgot to make the bed this morning.
I forgot to make the bed this morning.
Please close the curtains before you sleep.
Please close the curtains before you sleep.
I like to keep a glass of water on the nightstand.
I like to keep a glass of water on the nightstand.
The closet is full of clothes, I need to organize it.
The closet is full of clothes, I need to organize it.
Can you bring the laundry basket into the bedroom?
Can you bring the laundry basket into the bedroom?
I need to vacuum the bedroom floor.
I need to vacuum the bedroom floor.
My favorite pillow is on the bed.
My favorite pillow is on the bed.
I have extra blankets in the drawer.
I have extra blankets in the drawer.
This bedroom feels so cozy with soft lighting.
This bedroom feels so cozy with soft lighting.
I usually read a book before going to sleep.
I usually read a book before going to sleep.
The bedroom mirror needs cleaning.
The bedroom mirror needs cleaning.
I will fold the clothes and put them in the dresser.
I will fold the clothes and put them in the dresser.
The air conditioner keeps the bedroom cool at night.
The air conditioner keeps the bedroom cool at night.
Please adjust the blinds to block the sunlight.
Please adjust the blinds to block the sunlight.
My phone charger is plugged in by the bed.
My phone charger is plugged in by the bed.
I love the view from the bedroom window in the morning.
I love the view from the bedroom window in the morning.
I like to keep my bedroom neat and tidy.
I like to keep my bedroom neat and tidy.
The bed frame matches the color of the walls.
The bed frame matches the color of the walls.
I usually place my slippers under the bed.
I usually place my slippers under the bed.
There's a small lamp on the bedside table.
There's a small lamp on the bedside table.
I store my extra pillows in the wardrobe.
I store my extra pillows in the wardrobe.
The mattress is very comfortable for sleeping.
The mattress is very comfortable for sleeping.
My bedroom carpet feels soft under my feet.
My bedroom carpet feels soft under my feet.
I need to hang some pictures on the walls.
I need to hang some pictures on the walls.
The ceiling fan helps circulate the air at night.
The ceiling fan helps circulate the air at night.
I prefer sleeping with a light blanket, even in winter.
I prefer sleeping with a light blanket, even in winter.
The bedroom door creaks whenever I open it.
The bedroom door creaks whenever I open it.
I have some scented candles that I light before bed.
I have some scented candles that I light before bed.
My bedroom is my favorite place to relax after a long day.
My bedroom is my favorite place to relax after a long day.
The bed frame squeaks every time I move.
The bed frame squeaks every time I move.
I need to flip the mattress, it's sagging.
I need to flip the mattress, it's sagging.
Let's hang some new curtains in the bedroom.
Let's hang some new curtains in the bedroom.
I like sleeping with the window slightly open.
I like sleeping with the window slightly open.
This rug makes the room feel cozy.
This rug makes the room feel cozy.
The light switch is too far from the bed.
The light switch is too far from the bed.
I'll adjust the blinds for better lighting.
I'll adjust the blinds for better lighting.
I'll organize my jewelry in the drawer.
I'll organize my jewelry in the drawer.
Can you fluff the pillows before we sleep?
Can you fluff the pillows before we sleep?
I'll set up the baby monitor in the bedroom.
I'll set up the baby monitor in the bedroom.